All right, what's up, Titanx community? I hope you guys are having a good one. It's a beautiful day right now where I'm at. But I didn't even see Maya right behind me. I don't even know where to begin. So let me first start off by the token price. Titanx did drop down, and we're currently at the time of recording, it's at 6 zeros in a 6454. Yesterday, I did send out a tweet, and on the video, I said, look at this nice trade that I did. I'm actually glad, yo. And this morning, I sent out a tweet saying, yo, I just got in. I bought me a small position again of Titanx on this pullback at around 6178 or something like that, somewhere around that range. And I love these type of days. I was saying we need to drop down. I wouldn't mind being at 6.5, 6.5 to 6.8, and let alone hours later, well, technically 12 hours later, that's where we are hovering around right now. So great, man. Trust me, I love seeing this. There's multiple reasons why I want this to happen. We can't shoot straight up, okay? I sent out that alert actually on my Telegram, and I'm posted on Twitter. So in case you're interested, go follow me on both socials. They will be down below in the description. So we did cross on the weekly 1334, super bullish cross right here, and it's perfectly fine to have a retracement. Even if we did cross with this hyper bullish cross here, that doesn't mean we're going to shoot straight up. It just means the overall macro charts of Titanx mean super bullish for the future. Look at this, okay? I'm going to show you the Dune website. There is day 334. Nice, not bad. I'm going to scroll down to where I really want to show you guys this. The reason why I love seeing Titanx dropping throughout this range is because whenever you've been in this crypto style for so long, you kind of see patterns, right? Hence to why I did that really good trades of selling Inferno and getting into Legend X, and then I 2x that, and now I'm starting free Hydra miner, just free money all around. I've always been like that, free monopoly money. That way, in case anything happens, or if it just comes out at a loss, 10%, 50%, whatever, it's still free money. That's my style of play. Okay, I'm a trader. I'm a swing trader, pattern day trader, all that stuff. Now, if we do have like the next, it's not a lot to supply. It's not. But compared to what's coming, late October and forward, especially for November, if we were to have seen price increase from the next today to the next few days to give or take mid-October-ish, if we were to have seen Titanx increase in value USD-wise throughout this time period, nonstop, let's say small little pullbacks, right? We would have been pricing in this that's coming. Now that we have sell pressure and some people taking profits, some of them are just getting away, right? That's fine. Get the heck out of here. The true believers are the ones that are going to be benefiting from this pullback. Now that we're seeing pullback on this area, it's great. That means the price will not be priced in until over here, and the price will see significantly bigger increase. People selling now will FOMO back in over here, create a higher high, price will increase. Great. Okay, this is perfect, man. I keep saying this over and over again. I'm going to show you the daily. I keep showing you guys, telling you guys over and over again, we can't just shoot straight up. A healthy chart for Titanx, matter of fact, any token price, any stock market, stock share, whatever, the healthy way and the right way to go to parabolic levels is having pullbacks along their way. I can't talk apparently. So seeing this right now just means we can go higher because we took a breather. Look where the RSI is at. Great levels, man, for buy pressure to come in. We're not oversold. We're not overbought. Nothing. We're right in the middle. It's great, man. And what's even better, I've said this again multiple times. The 1334 sometimes tends to be a great support level for token prices to bounce from. It's done this over here, pretty much here, small little levels. It did it great, perfect right here with the wick candle. And look what it did again. It literally hit 6. Did I just buy the bottom? The temporary bottom, this little bottom right here. I bought at 6179. The bottom, from what I'm seeing, is 617. That would be insane. I was looking at the daily and everything, and I was like, you know what? If it goes to around 6.2 or so, I'm gonna buy because I can see this bouncing on the 1334 because it's done it multiple times. So I just looked at where the purple line was at way earlier this morning, and I was like, okay, 6.1. I think it was like hovering around 619, and then whenever I put my transaction in, it went in at 6178, something like that. So I bought literally. Matter of fact, for the haters out there that are going to continue to talk smack, you want to know where I bought it at? Literally right here. Suck it, haters. Now, what can happen is it can bounce. The 1334 can hopefully not cross bearish. I'm actually just seeing that. It looks like it wants to cross bearish. I hope not. Well, actually, I wouldn't mind it crossing bearish. Because if it does this, guys, it's a bearish. And I think if this is I'm me thinking in the future, right? If this crosses bearish, it may or may not do it. Okay, a little heads up. But this is a scenario that I can see happening. If this crosses bearish on the 1334 and the candles are below here, we will, of course, go down to around the low 5s, which would be this support level down below here, which I can pull back all the way back here. We could see this level right here, which is perfectly fine. This little bouncing area is just fine. It would literally be a copy and paste area of what we went through right here. Just down here, retest the resistance, drop down, retest, drop down, break through. So if we do this again in this area, pop, 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 you like my noises? And then we break out, right? And it may or may not play out exactly how I'm doing it, but this is a scenario in which it's a possible outcome. Just a little heads up, okay? Now, because of this pullback, it's making Hydra and other tokens cheap. Like Hydra to start miners, great, man. That's what I started doing, some Hydra miners at the current price. It's a lot cheaper to start some. It's also a lot cheaper to buy, of course, for the DCA people, and as well as starting to invest into other protocols. So overall, it's a win-win scenario. Plus, this is a great way for the buy and burn to take advantage of burning more tokens, because the more it burns at the cheaper price levels, of course, means less tokens, which means a higher upward move for the future. Like, seeing a drop is perfect, guys. I'm okay with it. You should be okay with it too. And I have also said multiple times that when Titanx drops about 15% to 25%, usually the next day or two, it bounces and it goes up 30%. So that little range, once you see negative 15, negative 20, negative 25% in a day like today, that's the time to buy. Not financial advice, do your own research, please. Okay, you should know. But that's what it has been doing so far, the pattern. So history doesn't like to repeat itself, but it sure does like to rhyme. So it could potentially be another scenario in which tomorrow or 48 hours from now, we could see green up about 20%, 10%, 30% in the green, stuff like that. So that's just my own little rant for today. Let me know what you guys think. Did you buy? Did you load up? Did you sell? All you guys are welcome. Click. I'm going to say what Mike Dean has been saying, man. Spank that like button. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.